after about 2.5, 3 years. A lot's been going on. I have a bunch of projects that I need to get done, personal ones. And I figured they're pretty out of the ordinary. So I think that sharing them on YouTube might be something that people actually want to see. So before we start with all of that, I'm just going to tell you a little bit about myself so you know who's guiding you through this journey, and we'll go from there. So my name's Drake. I've been wrenching probably since I was about 10. It actually started when I built a turret out of a drum, like hi-hat stand, and then lawnmower parts that kind of looked like the one from Halo, because I'm a big Halo guy. So I had it so you could dismount it and kind of carry it around, just like the game itself. So that was a lot of fun, and then it just kind of went from there. I always had a passion for things that had engines and moved around, so I've been wrenching ever since. Now I'm 23, and I have a job at an independent mechanic shop, so we work on pretty much anything from mom's crappy Subaru to actually Ferraris, and I've touched a few Lamborghinis, and then Porsches just kind of every day, which is really cool. So that's been a lot of fun, and it's tough in the summer because we don't have AC, but I've been surviving and making obviously a little bit of time to get some other projects going too. So that is what I'm about to show you. We're going to go for a little garage, I guess you could say, tour. I'm just posted in my parents' place. It's a good 2-bay little garage though, and we got some cool stuff in here. So without further ado, let's check it out. All right guys, so really to start here, I'm still getting used to all this video stuff. Really, my problem with the original series was I had my twin, who's very tech savvy, actually do all of the editing because I had no idea what I was doing. But I just bought this GoPro, which I'm filming with right now, and I'm gonna get some editing software and hopefully make things a little bit higher quality, because before it was all on the iPhone and a little choppy, little crappy if I'm being honest. But you know, that's all part of it. I'm just trying to learn and hopefully show you guys some stuff that I'm still learning about as I wrench on it. So here is the garage. I'll show you around a little bit. It's super dirty right now. My dad tried to get into like working on the wood lathe. That's what this table's for, and it just never turned out. So we got a whole bunch of stuff we got to get rid of. Here's my workbench. All the little bolts and stuff are actually in these coffee cans, which is kind of cool. And then we got all these cool old 50s signs, which are actually my favorite part about this. So this is where most of the stuff happens. I actually just got this drill press and this grinder for free, so I'm still kind of making those work. For some reason the chuck just falls off of this, so that's a little scary. But here is where all the magic happens. A lot of booger welds and cutting my fingers with the grinding wheel. But you know, it's like I said, it's all a learning process, and I'm just hoping to get better, and hopefully this YouTube thing will kind of help me get some comments and learn a few things here and there from, you know, everyone in the comment section always knows exactly what they're talking about, right? All right guys, so continuing the garage tour, here is the toolbox. This is where I keep all my scrap metal down here for exhausts and, you know, all that good stuff. I can't TIG weld yet, so I have a bunch of aluminum in there that's not really going anywhere unless it's used for brackets, so that's why that's just kind of sitting there. Hopefully soon I'll be able to do that. Got my speaker for bumping to tunes while you're wrenching. That's kind of a must. All the motorcycles. We are a big bike family. My twin just got into it, which is really fun. And then back there we got the surfboard. That's actually for the Vega. And then just for style. I don't really surf. I attempt skimboarding and usually end up face planting, but you know, you got to do your best either way. So that's why that's there. And again, it needs a good tidy up here, guys. I know for sure that if anybody watches this, that is definitely going to be one of the first comments is, dude, come on. So I'm going to get the guys in the family on it soon, and hopefully get that taken care of. That is a Husky toolbox. I got that for free. I think it's worth about $1,000, which is pretty cool. You know, more signs everywhere. I kind of try to put them up wherever I can. I love that feel of like the vintage stuff. So here is my little welder. I just have one of those Harbor Freight Chicago electric ones. Built a little cart for it.
and that's what that is. Jack stands, jack. Got some of my old toys in here that I've modified. Obviously this wasn't supposed to look like that. I did that as a kid. Little tap and die set. Torch, this is a must too. So that's basically the overview of the garage here. Really just simple stuff, you know, just kind of making it work. So that is that, and hopefully you guys will see some cool stuff coming out of here. I'm hoping I get it out of here, so let's go. All right, guys, just wanted to say thanks for watching the shop overview. In the next ones, we'll take a look at all the projects that you guys are gonna see over hopefully the next couple years, next couple months. We'll see if I can keep this going and get a good video editing software. But again, thank you for watching, and we will see you in the next one.